Hey ladies, how about a sneak peek inside LadyJeepers.com educational and training program? I know you want to see inside, so let's take a quick sneak peek together. So I am Kristen DeLibero, and I am going to be your trail guide as we work through this together. I want to invite you to jump in, strap on your seatbelt, and let's take a drive on this trail together. So I want to go through a little bit of navigation and layout for this full online educational and training program from LadyJeepers.com. So our main trail map is broken into 3 module sections. And as you can see, I wanted this to mimic the trail map you would get if you went to a park or were at an event and they handed you your trail map to navigate for the weekend. That is what this is modeled after. I want this to be educational, but I want it to be a lot of fun. We want to have fun as we're learning and enjoy the process. So our 3 main modules are our foundation modules, our continued training and education, and our signature systems and programs. Once you get in, you're going to notice this is your main educational map. And if you notice, all 3 of those are going to be broken down into 3 course modules inside that section of the map. So under our foundation modules, you have getting started, know your Jeep, it's time to build. And then each aspect has a focus. So this is the rock garden aspect of the map. We have the forest and we have the mountains. So we're trying to make this fun. So what I want to do is jump in for a quick live tour with you. And I'm going to show you the inside of navigating the LadyJeepers.com membership website. So once you join us, you are going to get emailed your email and password to jump in and have access to all of our training inside this educational program. Put in your email, password, and hit the login button. And don't worry, if you are not a member yet, there's always a place for you to click and it will take you so you can jump in and join us inside as well. And I will share a link with you when we finish today in case you haven't already jumped in. Login button, it is going to take you to the members homepage dashboard. And this is what it will look like. So you can log out and get to your profile at the top. But I wanted to go through just quickly. So in here we have our member highlights. So we want to highlight one of our amazing LadyJeepers.com members every month. Up here where it says this month, make sure you check in with that. That is going to let you know the schedule that is coming up. Scroll down and you're going to notice here it says new courses and training available for you. Some exciting things. New courses are being added the entire month of February. Then we're jumping in, starting that mechanical and tech in March, going through that together. So a lot of new lessons and training are added. And then starting in April, we're going to go to our normal 3 new courses a month will be added. So you're never going to run out of training in here, ladies. Then we have our member directory, which I'm so excited about. This will allow you to see and connect with the other ladies that are in here. Now let's go to navigation and let's hit the training aspect. So over on this side is going to be where your bonus individual courses are going to be. So again, here is our main map to this entire program. If you scroll down, you're going to see these are our 3 main modules that are broken off of our map. And this is going to be at the bottom of the pages. And anytime you click this, it's going to bring you right back here to this homepage. So let's jump in. The first place I want you to go, if you just joined and jump in here, are the foundation modules. And in there, you're going to find the first things that I want you to know. This is kind of your starting point. So we have getting started, know your Jeep, and it's time to build. So what we have done is this is a completely interactive learning, educational, training website, but it's fun. So what we're doing is we have broken all of this into 10 levels. So what does that mean? That means everyone is starting as a newbie together. You'll be receiving your white bracelet or wristband from LadyJeepers.com. As you move up every level, you are going to get in the mail as a little gift from us your new wristband. And what we did is this kind of goes along with the idea of like karate martial arts belts, but instead of belts, we're doing wristbands. And of course we had to end with purple since that is our LadyJeepers.com color. So what you'll do is you're going to earn points by completing quizzes, finishing lessons, and working through this training and education that is here on this site. As you work through, you'll accumulate points and you're going to move up. You'll look for your gifts in the mail, and it'll be exciting to see how everyone moves through this together. Then there's also more exciting news. So as you make it to the top levels of LadyJeepers.com, you are going to be getting not only your wristband, but some other special gifts from us. When you hit level 6, which is our season, you are going to get not only your wristband, but a special decal. At level 8, for being proficient, you're going to get a special tote bag from LadyJeepers.com and your wristband. At 9, advanced, you're going to get a special decal for the level 9. And when you make it to level 10, so an extreme LadyJeepers.com member, you are going to be getting a special t-shirt for extreme members only, as well as your wristband and a couple other surprises from us. So I wanted to make this fun, make this learning fun, interactive, working through levels, gaining different levels, and your wristbands that signify where you are at in your training, and have a great time together as we all do this. So again, navigation really quickly. When you're on a lesson, so this would be considered a lesson. So under our getting started, we have the first 5 things you need for safety. And then we have all of our coming soon training. So what we are doing is we are releasing new training for you over the month of February and the beginning of March, so that every time you come in here, our goal is you're going to have new training to work through. That way, you're motivated to come back in here, keep learning, and keep working through all the new courses and lessons that will be waiting for you. So we have our continued training and education, and that is going to have your how-tos. And this is something that is going to be growing and growing and growing. Your how-tos, your driving, off-road and trail riding, and your mechanical and tech. So in your how-tos, some of the modules you're going to find in here is going to be the things you need to know to go out and have a great time. How to air down your tires, how to use your winch and recovery gear, how to replace a winch line. And this is just growing and growing and growing. Then if you look at your driving, off-road and trail riding, these are going to be all the things that you need to know when you're getting ready to start trail riding and going off-road with your Jeep. And then you might wonder, what are the signature system? The signature system is things that were developed specifically by LadyJeepers.com for us as Lady Jeepers. Right now, you have access to the It's Time to Drive Your Life module. And this is a Lady Jeepers Personal Growth Jeep Lessons, our Life Lessons training course. This is about reconnecting to you, building your power, learning new mindsets, and so much more. And then we have our inspiration and motivation, as well as just for ladies. So this is our signature system and our program's dashboard. So I want to invite you to jump in here, get started, have a great time, work through the training, and continue to come back, be interactive, visit the site, and continue to drive through this trail to your education. Don't forget, we have members only giveaways. We have what's coming up for the month. We'll have live members training, and there is so much more that is available to you as a LadyJeepers.com member. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time to join me on this quick tour. And you can jump in and join us now for a limited time as a special founding member. And that is something that is going to be prestigious and is going to be something that we carry forward forever for the lifetime of LadyJeepers.com. So go to LadyJeepers.com, click on membership, and grab your limited time special offer for becoming a founding member. And I hope to see you in the inside on this educational trail together.